How to make male voice on Discord. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the male voice on Discord using Clownfish. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. To change your voice, you will need a voice changer. To download a voice changer, search for Clownfish voice changer. It is one of the best voice changer. Click on clownfishtranslator.com. Once you're on the website, click on download. Download and install the version your PC is compatible with. After the download and installation is complete, right-click on the app, click on Open and click on Set Voice Changer. A window like this will show up. Click on Male page to turn your voice into male. Open Discord and now your voice will sound like a male. To clear the effect, click on Clear Effect. So this is how you can make male voice on Discord.